Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy, Gaming. And in today's video, we actually have voice lines. Wow, so surprising. My iPad, I guess, doesn't know how to record voice lines, doesn't it? I have voice lines on it, just does that all the time. Just tries to be funny to me whenever I don't have enough storage, apparently. Which I had 10 gigabytes to use, for which a 60-minute video only would have taken up a few gigabytes. So, caught in 5K. But anyways, we are inside of Arena Champions. You might have saw a little bit of gameplay last video. And yeah, now we're actually going to be talking. So what is this game? What is this crappy game? Why the freak do you know about this? Who made it? Okay, so this is a game by Dungeon Quest developer VCaffey. Amazing big boy, right? Yeah, but like, this game is amazing. There's limited time codes. At the time of this video, you can get code 2500. When the game gets 5K likes, the code will be gone forever. Happened with the last code 1000, and the one before that, which I actually didn't even get to, which was code 0. Because the game came out like 2 hours before I even played it. Because I was in school. So stupid. I got code 1000 though. You can't get it anymore. And don't think that this will go by slowly. Earlier today it was 2,000 likes, or almost 3,000. 3.2 thousand. Just like a few hours ago. It already went up 1,000. So there's going to be a new code in about maybe a few hours. If my calculations are correct. And people keep on liking the game, which they should, because it's a very fun game. There's only one problem with it so far. The matchmaking system is literally broken. I can show you guys even. Let me show you guys. If we go in menu, you see we can do casual or we can do competitive. We can do casual. I'm going to go into casual for now. My rank right now is bronze 2. I'm not sure if that's good or not. Probably not. But that's because I can never load in a freaking match, and then when I do, there's just tryhards in my game. This is basically Bed Wars, but Dungeon Quest. Dungeon Quest PvP. We've been waiting for this for years now. Years. There's been news about it literally a year ago. Like there's been like so much beta testing about it. It's finally out. As you can see, we got the warrior class. Oh, finally, actually loaded. And now it's like all the players are not going to load in. That's this dumb thing about. Oh my god, my first match today that actually loaded in. So surprising how it took that long. Okay, well that's how long it's supposed to take, but it never takes that long or that short amount of time. Now I have to load in still. Are you kidding me? I hate loading in stuff. Okay, so as you can see, we have some abilities down here. It's basically King of the Hill plus Dungeon Quest in a nutshell. We got the Paladin class, which has some interesting moves. Okay, yeah, I've never played on computer, so I'm gonna have to get used to these. E is to throw the hammer, okay. And then Q is to deal this move, right? And then we also got the heal move, the R to heal. Run. Okay, this is my first time playing on computer. Don't judge me. What team are we on? Blue. Nice job, guys. We suck. Oh yeah, there's also C to dash, which can be useful if you just spam that. You can just dash in the middle, you know. Die! No one asked you to come here. Heal up quickly. Heal. E. Nice. They need to make it so that freezes the person. Okay, if we charge up to get this ability for T, the ability is really OP. It comes with a built-in inner rage from Dungeon Quest for like 5 seconds, and then it also gives you a damage boost, which is really overpowered. We need a damage boost right now, and we're playing casual. Okay, how are we losing a casual match? I've almost never lost a casual match in my life. E to throw. That was so off. Oh my god, the aiming system on this. Okay, so now I have to use my cursor to aim, apparently. This is new. I'm not used to playing games on my computer, okay? Really, yeah, I'm more of a mobile guy, but like, come on. It's open. The red's gonna get. It's red's thing now. Dude, like literally, why does everyone suck at this game, including me? I'm not saying I'm not good, or I'm not saying I'm good. I'm saying I'm actually pretty bad. Okay, well, on computer it seems as if it's so much easier to aim. Ha! L! Oh, I'm dead. I'm so dead. I knew it. Okay, T skill. Can I actually click on them? You can't even click on the skills. So if I want to heal up right now, this is a heal skill. But everyone ruined it. Okay. Here's what the special ability does. So you got inner rage, die, run. See, it's useful. Q. Oh, I'm dead. Heal. Oh my god. First time playing, okay? First time playing on computer, at least. Jeez, how did you freeze on bow? We need to get them out of that circle. Alright, aim E, die. Q. Q is close range. I always forget for some reason. Okay. Computer, it's so much easier to hit these hammer shots. I missed like almost 20 of these before. Heal. R, not E. I totally clicked R there. Yeah, we got defeat. That just proves how easy this game is. At least I did the most healing. You know? Guess I'm a gamer. Dude, 9,000 damage? That is just gaming. Okay, gaming experience. I know, such a gaming experience. Okay, let's go to the menu. Let's go to competitive. Let's do a competitive because I'm gaming. Oh wow, that actually loaded pretty fast. Teleporting to battle. But is it actually going to either teleport me or disconnect me? It should have teleported me by now. Which clearly means that the game is broken. I'll come back once I'm actually in a match. Okay, we're finally in a match. It only took a few minutes. Just kidding, it didn't take that long. Same map. Wow, I swear there's more maps. Okay, there's like 5 different maps. Now, let me actually count. There's like a heaven map. There's like a nature map. There's like a haunted map. This is the haunted map, or like a haunted nature map, I guess. What team am I on? Right now? Okay. You see people do that to me, I can just R, heal myself. See? Healing ability showcase. By the way, I used to main as the wizard champion before I got my paladin, which is so much better than the wizard, by the way. Even though, as you're looking at me, it kind of, it's like, I mean, like, the champion's not bad. I just suck, okay? Also, how am I always on the losing team? I've just noticed that. I've only won 4 games. I've only won 4 games in total of the competitive mode, and I've won probably like 6 normal, if I'm counting correctly. Yeah, I've won like 6 normal games and 4 competitive. Like competitive is just so hard. I've played more competitive than casual, and I've lost so much. I barely lose casual matches, but competitive, I don't know, but competitive players, I guess. Oh god, the fireball, I'm so scared. Oh, I totally can't just heal myself. The healing aura is so big. I appreciate that. Dude, literally, someone help me capture the capture the flag or whatever this game is called, King of the Hill. Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah. You weren't gonna win that. Come on, game. Let us win one time. I want a good impression for YouTube. Come on now. Please. Oh, so you can apparently zoom out, zoom in, however much you want on computer. So I can technically play first person mode. When on mobile, I can't. That's interesting. On mobile, you can barely zoom out. So apparently, yeah, computer's a lot better. I'm frozen! Okay, this game actually sucks. I'm gonna lose a point for being on competitive mode, but yeah, that's Arena Champions. Go play the game. Bye.